An upcoming event at Lakefront Brewery is going to benefit the family of a former local school principal. Mark Harris, who was a principal at Shorewood Intermediate School, died unexpectedly last year. And Juliana Cobbs joins us now to talk a little bit more about that event and how the community can help. Juliana, great to see you. And so is your sister's husband, Mark. Just give us an idea of how your sister is doing. And boy, you guys she had 3 young children as well. What a young, beautiful family. How's everybody doing right now?
They're doing okay. It's definitely still difficult, but the community has really helped us get through this, and we just have been overwhelmed with support from them.
You know, Mark was in the Shorewood School District, of course, but he had inroads in all sorts of different areas throughout our community. Can you talk about just what that's been like, meeting up with all these people who just want to help?
Yeah, absolutely. It's been very interesting and exciting talking to people from River West, from Whitnall, from Marquette University and the basketball program there, as well as Shorewood, which is a community he's been involved in a lot. But it's just been incredible the amount of work he did in all those communities and how many people he touched.
Well, you're going to be having an event coming up this weekend, and tell us a little bit about what you have planned. It's Sunday, right?
That's correct. Okay. It's Sunday, April 19th from 5 to 8 p.m. and we will have a silent auction with over 100 items that the community has donated, as well as live music, a cash bar, and there will be food, which is included with admission.
Oh, that's nice. All right. And, you know, where are you getting all the, what sort of prizes do you have and things like that? I know you cast a wide net, didn't you? Yeah,
it's really across the board. So we have tickets to several sporting events available, lots of kids' birthday party items. We have a bike as well as many other restaurant items. Right. It's really incredible. And I forgot to mention it's at Lakefront Brewery, which is an important detail.
Anybody can come down, right?
That's correct. We want as many people to come as possible, and so many people have told me that they want to be supporting, so this is a great way to show your support and love for the Harris family.
Well, I wish you the best of luck with it, and great to see you. Tell everybody we hope they're doing well. It was a story that touched so many people here, so
thank you very much.
We certainly appreciate you being here. And here's a closer look at some of the details again for the fundraiser. It's Sunday. There'll be live music, food, silent auction. All starts at 5 o'clock at Lakefront Brewery in Milwaukee. Storm Team 4